Hello, in front of me I've got Throne and Liberty. In this video I'll show you how to manage equipment. In the beginning you can press I button on the keyboard to enter inventory. Here you can check your equipment, consumables, growth materials, crafting materials and miscellaneous. Also you can go to character menu and here we've got our character icon with all word equipment. We can change equipment set and stats and change equipment profile. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.